Good morning, students. I Hardik Angadwala today present you how to create website in ASP.NET. Our today's video discussion based on how to create website in ASP.NET. Steps. Which are the steps we have to follow to create website in ASP.NET? Okay. Now, first of all, we have to click on Start button, Windows button. As soon as we click on Windows button, from menu, we have to select Microsoft Visual Studio. Look at on top third one. We have Microsoft Visual Studio. Click on it. As soon as we click on Microsoft Visual Studio, we have Visual Studio Editor with us. Now, again remember semester number 4. In semester number 4, we create new project. But now in semester number 5, we have to create website. So now in current semester number 5 in ASP.NET, we have to select file menu. From file menu, we have to select new. As soon as we click on new, we have one sub pop-up menu. From sub pop-up menu, we have to select website. I repeat, select file menu. We get one menu. From menu, we have to select new website. Okay. Now, as soon as you click on website, we have one dialog box open with us, and dialog box name is new website dialog box. Look at title bar of a dialog box. Okay, within new website dialog box, we have to perform 3 steps. Step number 1, look at left hand side. We have a panel, recent template. Within recent template, we have to select programming language, Visual Basic. Step number 2, center part, we have to select ASP.NET website. Okay. Step number 3, at bottom side, we have a browse button. So we have to click on browse button to save current website on specific location. Now, as soon as we click on browse button, we have one dialog box open with us, choose location dialog box. Within choose location dialog box, we have to click on file system, which display entire hard disk folders. Now I want to save my website within D drive online folder. Look at, I explore D drive, and within D drive I have one folder with name online. Within online, I want to create one folder with name SC, in which I want to save all the pages of the website. Is it clear? So my website name is SC shopping cart, short form is SC. I have to select that folder and click on open. If you do not create this folder, then on top side we have a folder icon. Top right side we have folder icon. With the help of that folder you can create folder within a specific location and you have to click on open. Okay, so our path D drive online SC, where we want to save our current website. As soon as you click on open, now we have new website dialog box, and within new website dialog box we have to click on OK. But before click on OK, look at website location in browse button text box, D drive online SC, where we have all the web pages within our website. So now need to click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, we have this current view within Visual Studio.NET. We are very well aware, on right hand side panel, top side we have a solution explorer, on bottom side we have property window, left hand side we have a toolbox. Okay, by default we have default.aspx page. Look at solution explorer. As soon as we create website, different files and folders will be created as per the requirement. Okay, so these are different files and folders are created as soon as we create website. Now look at, currently I open one of the page default.aspx, or I can say default2.aspx. In semester number 4 we are aware with form.vb design view. What is use of design view? Design view is used for graphical user interface on which we drag and drop different controls such as text box, label control, radio button, checkbox, button control. So we have over here, instead of Windows form1.vb design view, now we have default2.aspx. I repeat, extension is .aspx. Okay, at the bottom side, look at bottom left side. We have 3 different views for .aspx page. First one, design. Currently a design view is open. With the help of design view we can design web page with the help of graphical user interface by dragging and dropping control. डिज़ाइन व्यू का यूज़ करके हम वेब पेज डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं. कैसे? तो कि कंट्रोल को ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करके. नाउ वी हैव सेकेंड व्यू ऑन bottom left corner. After design view we have second view, split view. At the same time we have upper side coding where we can design web page by writing different tags manually, and at the bottom side we can design web page by dragging and dropping different controls. So we have 2 different view at the same time. Upper side split view, upper side design web page by writing code, bottom side design web page by dragging and dropping control. Now we have third view. Look at bottom side, source view. Source view, what is use of source view? So source view is used to design web page by writing different tags manually. Okay, so if you are comfortable with source view, you can write down code to design web page. If you are comfortable with dragging and dropping, you can design web page with the help of design view. So we have three different view of .aspx page: design view, split view, and source view. Okay, thank you. Today we conclude our discussion with this slide, how to create website. Okay, today we stop over here.